Have you ever wondered how to register a trademark in India? It's a vital process that safeguards your brand and reputation. Let's get started with a guide to help you navigate this process. Understanding the importance of a trademark search is the first step. Many entrepreneurs overlook this, but a unique brand name is crucial in distinguishing your business. Imagine two companies with identical trademarks. Consumers would be left in confusion, unable to discern one from the other. One must search for a trademark design before registering it. There are two types of searches. A knockout search is conducted by the Federal Trademark Register to determine the viability of a trademark during the registration process. A full search, on the other hand, is carried out by an intellectual property lawyer or a trademark lawyer. They use specialized software to find records of identical trademarks or close variations. Once you've confirmed your trademark is unique, it's time to file your application. You can do this through the Trademark Registry India, or use an online platform like indiafilings.com. Documents required address, proof and ID proof, registration certificate of Udyog Aadhaar, optional logo copy, signed Form 48, your passport and PAN. Next comes the trademark examination. This step is performed by examiners to identify any discrepancies. If the applicant can justify and the trademark officer feels satisfied, the trademark would be allowed for journal publication. The examination of your application and the issuance of the examination report usually takes between 12 to 18 months. After the examination, your trademark registration application is accepted by the trademark registrar and published in the Indian Trademarks Journal. This publication is essentially an advertisement of your trademark application that informs about the status of your trademark. The final step is receiving your trademark certificate. This is issued once your trademark is published in the Trademarks Journal and all conditions are satisfied. The process is automated, so you can download your certificate online. Trademark certificate is automated, so applicants can get the certificate online. After the trademark conditions are all satisfied, a trademark certificate can be generated or issued online on the official Trademarks Registry website. However, you'll need your trademark application number to do this. Don't forget, trademarks need to be renewed every 10 years to ensure the continued protection of your brand and services. So, as you can see, registering a trademark in India is a simple process that doesn't require much effort. It's a matter of patience and understanding the importance of safeguarding your brand. To find out more, check out the link in the description.